The Legends Never Die Tour and Durango Rendezvous are officially over, and I made it home safe. It is, what has it been? It's been 22 days. It was 22 days on the road. I've been home for about a week. I got in a car the day after returning, and it felt really weird driving the car. I prefer the bike, honestly. If we lived in a warmer climate, I'd probably sell my car and only have motorcycles. But that's not the situation, and it's not where I'm at. So the Legends Never Die Tour, all right, it was 2,500 miles-ish. We started with 70 plus bikes. We had 38 that made it from Chicago to Santa Monica, which is remarkable in its sense. But we didn't ride together, all 38 together every day. We split off into smaller groups so that we could easily make it. We just had spots that we needed to be at certain times, some of the dealers, some of the other events that I can't remember off the top of my head. You'll see them in the videos. And speaking of videos, I have so much footage to go through that I am falling behind. I did a couple events before I left for the Legends Never Die Tour, and I did not get a chance to get those done before I left. So those will be coming first after this video, of course. And it was great. See, I ended up becoming the photographer for the tour. I took thousands of photos, only posted probably like 900-ish. And if you want to see the photos, you can see them by following this link here. They're on the Facebook page. They're organized by day, so you can follow along and how we progress. I met a lot of amazing people, amazing riders, made some amazing friends. They're going to be lifelong friends, yeah, even though they don't live in my state. They're all over the country. A few people internationally. It was a wonderful mental reset after my recent change from leaving the military and, trying to work for myself. And it's getting there. I started my drone part 107 stuff so that I can get into drone work commercially, and then I can actually post it on YouTube and do some cool shots for all of you. There isn't much else to say other than, still adjusting to being home, and, I got a lot of work to do to show everyone what happened during the trip. I didn't attend some of the nightly events because I needed a social recharge. It's 10 days out on the road with, 40 plus people, and sometimes you need to just lock yourself in that hotel room and recharge your social battery so that you're present fully. Let's see, what else? Colorado was great. The Durango Rendezvous was great. Met even more new people, made some more new friends, made some connections with, I guess, a little bit of business side, connections with the IMRG leadership, and it was good. It was very, very good. We are in the process of trying to reestablish the IMRG chapter here in Madison, Wisconsin. It was previously dissolved, and it's unfortunate, but we're going to try and get it back up and going again, regrow the community in this area so that, there's other riders. If people don't know who to ride with, they can reach out to us. They can ride with us, right? The IMRG strategy is, and not strategy, but the motto is, if you're on two wheels, you're with us. So it doesn't matter what you ride, come ride with us. You'll have to keep an eye out on social media for event postings, ride postings when it's open to everybody and not just the members. There's just a lot to go through, and we'll get there. But until then, if you're new here and you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we can talk. If you want to leave some comments, suggest some rides for me for the IMRG or just the group, we can schedule something, find a ride, and all go out, talk, and hang out with each other. But until next video, we will see you on the road, and be safe.